Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to turn off reduce motion option in iPad. Okay, simply turn on or open your settings application. You can see here, then select accessibility from the left side. Okay, then you can see option of motion here. Simply turn on that motion and you can see here reduce motion is the first option and it is turned on. Okay, after turning the reduce motion option, you can also access the prefer crossfade transition options, and you can see here this little button. Click on that button for turn off the reduce motion. And what is reduce motion is reduce the motion of user interface, including the parallax effect of icons. Okay, so that's very simple. You can simply turn off reduce motion option from here to save more battery. And if you don't like the motions, you can simply turn off this feature. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.